I wanted to jump into here, like how to use technology to foster client relationships. And we've touched on many of the issues here, but what I don't know how to explain it a little better, but we want you to understand the client onboard experience is a differentiator now. So it's not just being good at what you do. It's not just, doing a good service. Somebody who does it better and makes it easier for your clients, whether that be a taxpayer or a business owner, if they make it easier, they have a kind of a cooler, newer tool, that might be enough of a differentiator for them to say, hey, I might try this out. Or more importantly, when people are looking to choose new people. So I get it. The client retention side, if you're really good at your, what you're doing, hey, they wouldn't leave me just because of this, right? But new clients will look at it and say, what is the easiest way for me to get this done? That's kind of, that's the way people think now. So having a strong technology-driven client onboard experience is important. What does that mean? Secure portals. And why I like secure portals is that you can personalize this to each client versus kind of like a Dropbox type of product, right? And it's more, there's other things you can push there. You can push your newsletter content, due date reminders. It's much more than just sharing documents. So we're bullish on secure portals, using e-sign technology. There's new requirements on knowledge-based authentication, ID checks. We're coming out with a new kind of online ID check service. These are things that are going into IRS compliance, right? But they also make it easier, not just for you to comply, but easier for your clients to comply. Online communications to cut down on paper things. Third-party integrations like Receipt Bank is a great one, right? So how can I make my clients' lives easier if I guide them to use these type of tools? So that is also, why the clients trust you, right? They trust accountants. They want to work with accountants. And these are kind of some of the elements that make that happen. So I think this is a very important takeaway as well.